Welcome to the Little Beading Closet. I'm Sherry. Quick and easy, perfect results teardrop earrings. Customize them with your favorite color of beads. Let's look at the supplies. Curved bead tubes are the star of these dangling earrings. They come in different lengths, but these are a 25 centimeter. 2 millimeter or 3 millimeter beads make a perfect size and weight to your earring. You'll also need a few size 15 and 11 seed beads used up here at the top. And earring findings, I'm going to be using these little post style. I'll use E6000 as my adhesive to glue the post onto the back. Begin with 2 feet of beading thread on your needle, and I suggest using a well-loved beading needle for this project, since going through these longer curved tubes will definitely deform your needle. For video demonstration purposes, I'm going to use green wildfire. Let's start by making the pondo stitch here at the top. Pick up 4 of your size 11 seed beads. Bring them down near the end of your thread with just a little bit of tail. Needle back through all 4 of the seed beads. Then come back through the very first seed bead closest to the tail. And pull that tight, and you have a right angle weave unit. And turn this in my hand. You'll need 4 more seed beads. We're going to put 1 between each one here. Pick one up, come into the next one. Pull it into place. Pick up another one and come into the next seed bead. Again, pulling it into place. Pick up another seed bead, come into the next one, pull it into place, picking up the 4th and final size 11 seed bead, needling into the next one. Then just needle into 1 more bead. I'm finished with my little tail, and I'll trim it off. With your thread coming out one of the points, we're ready to add the rest of our beads. Begin by picking up a size 15. Next, I'll put on my curved tube bead. I could take the needle off of my thread, but instead I'm just going to put it into the bead. If there's any friction coming through, my tip is to just put the needle on the beading mat and push it through. Next, I'll pick up all of my size 3 millimeter rondelles. I'm using a total of 9. Again, another one of my curved tube beads. Again, placing my needle on the mat and pushing it through. And my last size 15 seed bead. I want to come back up here and needle through the same size 11 that my thread is exiting, just on the opposite side. I'm going to retrace my work. Again, if I need to, putting my needle down here, just pushing it through. I usually go through 4 of the beads, pulling tight, and then I needle through 1, pull tight. I'll come through 4 more, and back up through my tube bead, needle through my 15, pulling tight, and back through the 11. I'm going to retrace this thread path one more time. After retracing that thread path, I'll come back through the size 11 and then I'm going to secure my thread by needling through my pondo stitch. Just continue coming around. Now that I retrace the pondo stitch, I'm just going to trim off my tail. I'm just going to use the E6000 to glue my post onto the back. I put just a small amount on the end of an orange stick. Next, I put it on top of my post. Using a pair of pliers, I just take my post and center it on top of the pondo stitch. And I'll let it dry. As always, have a beautiful day.